السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أيها المشاهدون الكرام إلى قناة أبي حفص. You are highly welcome my honorable viewers of حفص channel. اليوم إن شاء الله سنتكلم عن حالة الجزم, the Jussive case. Now, and this case is one of the cases that can affect the imperfect tense verb in the meaning and also the form of the imperfect tense verb. نعم. هذه الحالة من الحالات التي تؤثر في معنى الفعل المضارع وكذلك في الكلمة نفسها، يعني في كلمة المضارع نفسها. نعم. هناك 4 أحرف التي تجزم الفعل المضارع. So we have 4 particles that can affect the meaning of imperfect tense verb and also is going to change the form of the imperfect tense verb to another form. So we have the first one is lam, and the second one is lamma, the third one is lamul amr, while the last one is la an-nahiya. La an-nahiya. Naam. If one of these particular 4 letters precede or come before al-fi'l al-mudari, the imperfect tense verb, they render al-jazm to the following 5 words. So we have 5 words that ended with a dhamma, that the last letter on each carries a dhamma. So and if one of these letters precede or comes before this particular imperfect tense verb, so it's going to give it al-jazm. So the first one is yaf'alu for the third person masculine singular, so it will change it to al-jazm. And also taf'alu for the third person feminine singular, and also taf'alu for the second person masculine singular. Now, and again the fourth one is af'alu for the first person masculine singular or feminine, and also naf'alu for the first person masculine and feminine dual and plural. So it's going to change this abdomat, these vowels dhamma, so it's going to change it to al-jazm. And also we have the words that ended with nun al-i'rab or nun al-i'rabiyya. There are 7. So there are 7. If one of these letters precede or comes before one of these words, automatically we are going to delete the nun. So the nun will be dropped or will be deleted. The first one is yaf'alani. Yaf'alani for the third person masculine dual. So if one of these letters comes before it, we are going to delete the nun. Okay? And we have yaf'aluna for the third person masculine plural. So we are going to delete the nun. Third one, taf'alani. Taf'alani for the third person feminine dual. Okay? And also taf'alani for the second person masculine dual. Taf'alani. So we are going to delete the nun as well. The fifth one, in which we are going to delete the nun if one of حروف الجزم comes before it. So the fifth one is taf'aluna for the second person masculine plural. And also we have taf'alina for the second person feminine dual. So we are going to delete the nun if one of these letters comes before it. Nam. And also the last one, that is the 7th one, taf'alani. Taf'alani for the second person feminine dual. Taf'alani. So if one of these letters comes before it, so we are going to delete the nun. So the nun is going to be dropped or deleted. And we have 2 words in which if one of these letters comes before it or precedes it, so we are not going to change the form of the words, rather the meaning will change. Okay, so the letter is going to change the meaning. So the first one is yaf'alna. Yaf'alna for the third person feminine plural. Okay, so we are not going to change the nun, but if one of these letters precedes it or comes before it, so the meaning will change. Now the second one is taf'alna. Taf'alna for the second person feminine plural, the female we are talking to. So it's not going to change any form. So we are not going to delete any nun from it. So but it's going to change the meaning of the word. So it's going to change the meaning of the word. Now, and also if one of these حروف الجزم, if one of these particles so precede an imperfect tense verb that is naqis, so the verb that lamul kalma in that word is a weak letter and harful jazmi comes before it, so the weak letter will be deleted. Alamatan lil jazmi. So for us to know that this particular imperfect tense verb in front of it or comes before it harfu al-jazmi. Okay, so for example, تدعو تدعو. Okay, al-ain and the waw. So al-waw, it is lamul kalima and it is weak letter in this particular word. And let's use la and nahiya مثلا. La and nahiya. So ونقول لا تدعو لا تدعو بدون الواو. So نحذف الواو, we are going to delete the waw. From تدعو ونقول لا تدعو أو لم تدعو أو لتدعو. Now another example is يخشى. So this one is alif. The first one is wa, which is weak letter, and this one is alif al-maqsura. So yakhsha. So now let's use this with one of حروف الجزم. So lam yakhsha, let's use lam مثلا. Lam yakhsha, lam yakhsha. So after using harful jazmi, so it will become lam yakhsha. La yakhsha biduni al-alif. لا تقل لا يخشى, don't say لا يخشى, rather say لم يخشى. So you give the shin al-fatha. So the first one you give the al-ain dumma for us to know that there's one letter that has been deleted. Okay, so لم يخشى لم تدع. And also these particular four particles, we can use it in both active voice, that is al-fi'l al-ma'lum, وكذلك we can use it also in the passive voice, so that is al-fi'lu al-majhul. So we are free to use it in both form. So هذا والله تعالى أعلم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.